Hi guys! So I put out a poll recently on my channel asking you guys what type of videos I should make more of, and you told me you wanted to see more Asian recipe videos and food and cooking vlogs. So today I am making my first vlog. Basically you get to see my day full of cooking and prepping drinks and all that good stuff. Today I'm babysitting my niece Avery. Avery is 2 years old and she's a super cute baby or super cute toddler. So you will get to meet her a little bit later. Let's go on with our day. I'm gonna make Avery's favorite truffles. Breakfast is ready, Avery. Avery, come eat. I don't usually eat breakfast, but it's really good. Mommy's on the toilet. Mommy's on the toilet. Mommy needs to come up and eat. Baby's still sleeping? Baby's still sleeping? I am on vacation currently for the holidays, but I'm working on some freelance projects, freelance design projects. Working on a fun children's book logo. Which one do you guys like better?
Yeah, I have a lot of options too. I guess neither one of us.
That one's just a black and white version of this.
Did you just have the same idea I did?
Here's the banner that I designed for the website. Let's see which one should better. I personally like this one better.
Internal legal lack of internal ethics. You're fired.
Working hard? You working hard, Avery? Really good. That's pretty good. You like it? Oh, she's finishing it off. Good job, Avery. You like it?
All right,
You
rude.
like it?
You want to still play here or ow? This is my room. What is wrong with you? Push right there. If he doesn't want to.
For lunch, I'm going to be making a Olympian pasta, Filipino hot-taste pasta. So it's really good. Garlic, some diced onions, and a butter, some pepper, some salt, crab paper. So this crab paste is made of like the sides of the crab and crab roe and gutsy goodness. I'm gonna add some heavy cream. Sauce is almost done. Just fettuccine pasta. Some parsley to garnish.
Voila!
Look at that. Yummy! So good, baby. So good. Just put Avery down for her nap time. Gives me some time to prep for dinner. Usually days like this where my sister-in-law drops off Avery, I plan to make a nice dinner for her when she comes to pick her up. So tonight I will be making Taiwanese sizzling steak. So I gotta go prep the black pepper sauce and the mushroom sauce, and then I gotta prep the cream corn soup. That's gonna be covered with a puff pastry, and then I gotta prep like the pasta and the steak. So Taiwanese sizzling steak usually comes with a side of pasta, comes with salad, soup, garlic bread, and the sizzling steak with the sauce, and then topped with sunny side up egg, and you get this whole package. It's a great meal. So let's get the prepping started. that was a long day. Hope you guys enjoyed my first vlog. Please comment below and let me know if you want me to make more vlogs. I want to hear from you. See you later.